Did you know the Wiggles were formed by members of an Australian band from the 80s called the Cockroaches? Maybe, probably. But did you know that they repurposed some of the Cockroaches songs into Wiggles songs?
Wake up, Lucky, please.
No, 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 no.
Wait up, baby, please. No, wait up, baby, please.
To the monkey, monkey, monkey. If that's alright.
To the monkey, monkey, monkey. That's alright.
I'd have to find a place where I could hide her away. Dorothy the dinosaur.